Hello everyone and welcome to the Goverlan YouTube channel. My name is Raul and today I'm going to be going over the Intel vPro power management options within the new Goverlan version 8 software. This continues a series of vPro videos, so be sure to check out the other ones for things like KVM access and image mounting and IDER features. We're going to begin with the starting a vPro session in our Goverlan remote control software. Let me go ahead and search for a vPro machine. Okay, I found the vPro machine we can use, so I'll set the focus on that and begin a KVM session. So now we're connected with the KVM. I can go ahead and show you here on the main tab where we can find the vPro power options. So we go under login prompt and then click power options. Now here's our power options screen. Notice that it's reporting that the system is obviously powered on. We're getting that from the chip itself. AMT pulls all of this information when available. Otherwise, Goverlan will pull it from its own agent. Here's the AMT IP address, which may or may not be the same as the actual OS IP address. Here's a link for the admin portal, so you can go ahead and do some further admin management of the Intel vPro chip. Here you go. Here's the admin management web interface. And through the power options here, we have the ability to power off, restart the machine, restart into BIOS, or restart into a mounted image. We'll be going over that again in another video. So I'm going to close these power options here. Now you don't have to actually initiate a KVM session. You can come right here to the Goverlan favorite section and then click on the power options to pull up the same screen. So again, you don't have to be actually in a KVM session to control the power state of a machine through vPro. What we're going to do now is flip over to the Administration and Diagnostics module of Goverlan V8, and I'll show you here by searching for the same vPro machine where we can further control the power options. So I'll set focus here on our vPro machine. I come down to controls and power options. So here's another location within the software where you can go ahead and see the same Intel vPro power options as you did in the remote control module. Now we can go ahead and also perform these actions in bulk on any vPro machines on your network. So I'm going to start a new Goverlan scope action here. In the scope action module, we can put together an action module that will tell a series of workstations to perform a vPro power action. So here I'm just going to choose the machine that we've been working on so far, but imagine here you can specify an OU or an IP range of all of your Intel vPro machines and have them as part of a list of machines that you can perform vPro actions on. So now I'll jump into the action module, and here in the action module we will go to the add remove button and execute computer action, computer power actions, and here you can see we have the Intel AMT based power controls. So I can say, for instance, restart all machines using the vPro power actions. And then, as with all of our new scope actions, I can decide if I want to run this now or run it later or on a schedule. So this concludes our vPro power options for Goverlan version 8. Be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have regarding the actual KVM control, and as well as ISO mounting and discovering vPro machines on your network. Thank you for watching and have a good day.